Hi, it's Jenny, your crafty balloonist. Come along with me to set up this beautiful display for total wines and more. Hi guys, it's Jenny and I am your crafty balloonist. And today, well, it is about 7:15 at night, and I have to blow up balloons for a big job that I have tomorrow. I'm very excited, but I'm very, very nervous. I don't know why I'm so nervous because I've done corporate events before, but this is for a big vendor. This is Total Wine Company. And I am super, super excited to be able to do this. I feel very blessed and nervous at the same time. Another reason why I feel nervous is because I am doing this all by myself. I'm not going to have any help because the event is for a grand opening and it's in the middle of the day. So everybody has to work. All my help has to work. So it's just going to be me. Hopefully my husband can take off and help me too, but if not, it'll be okay. I'm just gonna rock it out myself. So tomorrow we're doing a balloon marquee, and I'll insert a picture here of what we're doing. And yeah, and the theme is gonna be Jacksonville Jaguars because we are in Jacksonville and we are Jaguars. Yeah, so how about the vinyl lettering for the balloons? I needed to print out four for Bobo balloons, and my Cricut machine broke. I don't know what I'm gonna do. I looked and I seen that the cord to the machine was not connected. So I'm gonna try and go to Target and try to get me another cord. Otherwise, I don't know what I'm gonna do because this is part of my contract. I gotta provide these people with vinyl lettering. All right, guys, I am in Target. I'm here because I am looking for, if you can see that, this little cable thing for my Cricut machine. I might need to get somebody to help me. They say they got it here for $5.66. So that's what I'm looking for. Oh, these look like phone chargers. I don't see any. Okay, so they only have it online. So I'm gonna move on to plan B, and then that don't. All right, y'all. Praise break, praise break. Somebody must have been praying for me because guess what? I didn't get my Cricut machine to work through the computer, but when I was on phone with Cricut support, they reminded me I have Cricut Design Space app on my phone, and I just Bluetooth the design to my phone. So I got my little app symbol, and I am so excited. I'm on my way right now to go pick up my U-Haul, and all that anxiety that I had, it was gone. It might be coming back because I feel like I'm running late, but long as it's 12:22. If I can get my U-Haul and be back here to load up by 12:30, I'll feel better. All right, bye. There she is. Oh, it's huge. I'm just so. Oh my goodness, Lord, Lord, Lord. Oh, look at that. Look at her. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness.
The
gracious.
destination is on your left.
Oh.
Arrived.
Oh, Jesus. Oh, no, you can't. So these marquee letters were already here when I got here. They are 3-foot marquees from Alphalit. I think that's how you say it, Alphalit. This is me just putting on the clamps. This is what I use to um, secure the garland. Uh, I had blown up 22 feet of balloons, but I did not know that they had that extra Jaguar head off to the side there. So it kind of messed up my design a little bit and made me have to blow up extra balloons. So that's why you always bring extra balloons to your events, because you just never know. They did not tell me about this Jaguar head over here to the side. Y'all, it was so difficult because they had their grand opening at 6 p.m., but it was in the middle of the day and they was allowing people in there to just shop like regular customers. And the entrance that I'm in right now is very, very narrow. You can't really tell from this area, but the wind was blowing. So every time those double doors open, my balloons wanted to get sucked out that way, so I couldn't put the balloons there. I couldn't put them directly in front of the marquee because these were real glass marquee and they were hot. They would pop the balloons. And I couldn't block the entrance way because, like I said, they had customers coming in and out. So it was very, very difficult to find a place to put my balloons until I was ready for them. So this was just me trying to figure things out and figure out the logistics. And here's the Starburst that I usually do. I have a tutorial in one of my videos if you guys want to check it out. It's the Florida, Georgia video. So check that out. Now, this is just me adding on some embellishments. This is my favorite part of any balloon garland design. This is where you get to be creative. I made some little chains. I made grapes out of balloons. It was pitiful looking grapes, but I still made them. And here I did some Starburst. I did some 5-inch balloons. I just had a good time with it, and I think it turned out great. Okay, so and now I'm just picturing where I want everything to go. I'm adding on my Bobo balloons. These will be the balloons that have the vinyl lettering on them. So I want to make sure, because I'm only doing 4. So I need to space these out enough to where um they can be seen, whether the customers are coming in or going out of the store. They need to be able to see the Total Wine logo. So here's where I'm just trying to figure out where I want them and where I want them to go and stuff. So, and trying to make them fit into the garland, because I can't stand when they just be sticking out real like crazy in front of the garland. I like them to kind of fit into the garland. Okay, y'all, now it is time to see if these vinyl letters, if they work. So here's me peeling it off of the vinyl, off of the transfer tape, and putting it up on the Bobo balloon. And I mean, it went on kind of easy, but as you can see, it's really, really hard to put a a flat surface lettering onto a round surface balloon. So you got to kind of play with it a little bit, and I recommend using smart vinyl by Cricut, the smart vinyl, because if you don't like the design, if you don't like where it is, you can just take it off and peel it and stick it back. I'm sorry, I can't talk today. You can take it off and then stick it back and into the place that you want it. So this is me. I'm just using my little card here and I'm just rubbing it on, and I'm going to speed this up because it takes forever to get these little letters on here. What we're looking like. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos. Okay, bye.